Hi friends, this video shows how to transfer files, video files, photos between laptop and TV using USB cable. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Then go back. Now under system you can find new option called developer options. Set it, go down. Set USB debugging or ADB debugging. Let me enable this. Done. After that, let me go to this laptop. Here in this laptop, we need to install one tool, this ADB. You can download this zip file from internet, extract it, and here you can see adb.exe. From this path, we need to open command prompt. See, I already opened command prompt here. From here, we can run ADB commands. Before running ADB commands, we need to connect this laptop to TV using USB cable. See, I already connected this laptop to TV using USB cable. Then you can click here and check for this USB icon. That means this laptop I have successfully connected to TV. Next, I am going to transfer files. Here you can see the commands. Using this command, we can transfer files from laptop to TV. Using this command, we can transfer file from TV to laptop. So this command is for deleting some files from TV. First, I am going to check this. I am going to transfer some files from laptop to TV. Here in this laptop, you can see one image here, dog image. This is a one file I am going to transfer. Then this video file. Okay. Let me go to command prompt. So before I transfer in TV, let me open this file manager app. And when I copy, that will come here under this internal shared storage. See, let me minimize this. Then here I am going to copy this dog image. Let me transfer that image from laptop to TV. Enter. Done. Then here in TV, let me check, go down. See, here you can see the image. See. Next I am going to transfer one video file. Okay, done. Let me refresh. And here you can see that video file. See. Okay. Then next I am going to transfer some file from TV to laptop. So I am going to transfer this dog image that I am going to paste here in this test folder under F directory. Let me go to F directory test folder. So I am going to paste that dog image here. Okay. Let me copy this command. Go to command prompt. Execute. Done. Then go to the test folder. See, here you can see that image. Okay. So next I will show you how we can delete file. this command. So I am going to delete that image of the dog from the TV. Paste here, enter, done. Then here let me refresh. See, now that image is not here. Okay, so this way we can transfer files between laptop and TV using USB cable. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.